What's up, guys? Welcome. Guess what I got this month? Had a little break from STB for a couple of months, but back. And in this month's STB box, it's looking good. This time around, I have got the Pro box. Anywho, welcome to another episode. Okay guys, so like normal, like all the boxes I've been getting, we still get your discount voucher, 10% off on the next purchase from them online. Worth doing it, so go check that out. And yeah, let's get started with what's in here. See, there's another voucher, so I could go and do my nails. I think I may need to go do my nails soon, hey? If not, I'll just give it to the wife. Ooh, looking good, looking good, looking good. Okay, let me have a read here quickly. The Pro box, total value is 751 Rand. Not too bad, not too bad. Okay, first off, I've actually been waiting for these baits. I've been seeing it getting promoted on a few different pages of the Net Bomb. As you guys know, I've been fishing the Ned rig and I love my Ned rig. So these are the Z-Man Power Finesse shrooms, which I've been using for a while now, and I've actually been using the ET Secret baits on here, the Troublemakers, and they've been grafting, where these baits are very similar, but it's only, instead of having two tails, these have got one tail. So this is what it is. Come zoom in there, you know, zoom in there. So this is going to be an interesting fish. I think I'm going to catch a lot of fish with this, especially coming into winter. I think it's going to be good. And the color that they sent me was the Bama Craw, so pretty cool. So that will obviously be paired up with the shroom Z-Man Ned rigs. Okay, next from 0Z2 Z-Tech. Okay, so this is from Striking. I haven't seen this packaging. I mean, I fished little junior flukes like this. I mean, I like my white. I usually fish similar to this with the grey backs, and I love fishing this either weightless fluke or putting this on a drop shot. So I think I'll yeah, this coming weekend at the Outcasts in-house club comp, I'll probably be setting these two baits right here. I mean, that's already what I was planning on fishing, is Finesse and the Ned rig. Striking strikes again. Nice crank from Striking. It's also a bait that I'll probably throw around, is a slow rolling crank. So already just there, what a package, wouldn't you guys think? Next up, Rage Tail. These baits are awesome. Now you guys, most of my subscribers know that I recently got the Guggen baits from a friend of mine in Mexico that came through, and he organized it for me and brought them to me. And Rage Tail and the Bandito Bug are very similar. Very similar. Obviously there is the slight differences, but like, I'm in love with the shape of this bait and everything. This bait on many different occasions, from Texas rigging it to even putting it on a Ned rig. I tried that actually at a club dam and it actually worked quite nicely. And also you can use it as a trailer on a jig. So I love these baits, so I'll definitely be throwing this weekend, and I'm sure I'll get a little something with it.
for a big one.
Okay, and then last but not least, some mustard treble hooks for upgrading cranks. I mean, I think the Strike King comes with already decent treble hooks, but I know there's a few cranks that I have that have already blunt hooks, and this will be awesome to change that and put these onto a crank that I'm actually thinking of right now. So that's going to come in handy, and it's always nice to get these once in a while, because you know, you always think of buying these at the shop, and sometimes you just like go past it and you're like, I'd rather go get this new crank or these baits, and then you forget about the hooks. But bonus. So if that's one of the reasons you guys should look at getting STD box, then why not? You know, like I've said in the previous videos, it's Christmas every month. At the end of the day, you order a box, you don't know what you're going to get, and when you get it, you get awesome baits. You've got it. I don't fish it, but hey, let me try it, you know? Hook it up, put it on the hook, go out fishing, and boom, you get your PB. Or you just get a whole lot of fish, and then that bait becomes your new favorite bait. Anything can happen, guys. I mean, catch you on the next one, guys. Peace.